A rectangle with the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle of radius 2 centimeters. Now you are drawing a semicircle and you are saying that the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle. A rectangle with the largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle of radius 2 centimeters. The ratio of length of the largest to the smallest side of this rectangle is what? Now, if you remember a concept of circle, you would realize that if you are trying to draw a largest possible rectangle in a circle, then that is going to be nothing but a square. So if you look at this and you are saying that this is the largest possible rectangle, then this is going to be a square. This is the concept that as a basics of your geometry sessions you will understand. So if this has to be a square, then this has to be a side A and this has to be a side A. It has to be the same side. That is only when it is square. Now if you are looking at a semicircle, your rectangle is going to be of the maximum area that it can cover. It's going to be the half of the square itself, because if this square becomes the maximum area, then half of the square is also a maximum area. And if half of the square is a maximum area, this is going to then become a rectangle over here. So if this is going to become a rectangle, then this particular side present over here is going to then become A by 2. But this side from here to here is going to remain as A, right? So now what is the question asking you? Then the ratio of length of the largest to the smallest side of this rectangle, largest to the smallest side of this rectangle is going to be what? A is to A by 2. So that's going to be 2:1 as the answer for this particular question.